So I'm going to be swapping out the brake booster on my 96 F150. The only reason I'm swapping it out is because I don't like how it looks, as the previous owner didn't paint it. So I ordered the replacement from AutoZone. That's the part number. It's a pretty straightforward process. Have to come in here, remove that brake switch, then the 4 mounting bolts that are seen there. And once you remove those 4, at that point you have to break this guy loose, then this guy, pull the master cylinder forward, disconnect this line here, and obviously make room for the new booster. We'll pull this one out, put the new one in, and then re-secure all the hardware. So let me go ahead and do the removal of these 4 bolts and the brake switch, then I'll get back to you guys. Oh shit. The socket for my application is a 15mm. I'm assuming that's for all these 9th gen F150s. Let's see if I can get to it without removing the air box. Sweet. So now to put the new one in. Oh, you can't see from this side. There's that. Now I just need to secure the 4 nuts inside and attach the brake switch, and that should be it. At least I got rid of that freaking rusted old unit. Doesn't stick out like it used to. Sweet.